Today, we're going to dig into something pretty interesting that a lot of you ask about. How do you actually build an income online, a real one, without, having your face everywhere, like avoiding the whole influencer thing, sharing your life story?
Yeah.
It's a big hesitation for people.
It really is. And our sources today suggest there might be, a specific answer. Yeah, we're diving into this idea called Faceless Income, specifically a product named the Faceless Income Formula from websites by Sarah. So our mission really is to pull apart their offer page, see what the key insights are for you. How does this PLR thing, this private label rights asset, actually propose to solve that problem? Earning online, but staying behind the scenes.
Okay, wait, let's unpack that, because the promise itself is, it's really compelling, isn't it? So often the thinking is, okay, make money online, got to do videos, share my life, be a personality. It just feels like the only way.
Seems like the default path.
But this source material, it just flat out says that's just not true. It's promising you can earn online without ever showing your face, which, for anyone a bit shy of the spotlight, that sounds amazing. Less like marketing, more like freedom.
Freedom, exactly. That's the core appeal, that feeling of liberation. The insight here, I think, is how this formula tries to kind of democratize things. It's set up to help you create these income streams that just run quietly in the background while you stay completely behind the scenes.
Okay, so shifting the focus.
Right. From needing this personal charisma online to just using content strategically, smart deployment systems, that kind of thing.
Less about performance, more about assets.
Precisely. Build your digital asset, let it work for you, no awkward videos, no endless posting. It's presented as this path to, freedom online, but also privacy, financial privacy too.
That's a powerful idea. So for you listening and thinking, okay, interesting. Well, what is this formula? How does it work in practice? Is it just a guide, a plan, or something you actually get?
Yeah, good question. And what's interesting is it's more than just instructions. It's described as a premium video course, but crucially, it's also a done-for-you PLR asset.
PLR, private label rights.
Exactly. And the key insight for you is what that means here. You get the whole course, and the rights let you sell it as your own course, as if you made it yourself.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And importantly, you keep all the profits. The asset itself is purely white label and unbranded.
So no logos, no mention of the original creator?
None. The strategic point is massive, right?
Right.
You could potentially become a product creator almost instantly without all those weeks of research, writing scripts, recording videos, all that stuff.
Yeah, it's a huge time saver.
And the source stresses there's no need to change or modify anything unless you actually want to. It's kind of plug and play for getting to market fast.
Okay, that speed, definitely appealing. Cuts out a ton of work. But I'm thinking, when people hear PLR, often it just means reselling, right? Like buy it cheap, sell it on. Does this formula offer more than just that? Are there maybe smarter ways to use this thing for profit?
And that's a really key point. The source page actually details several ways to use it, going way beyond just simple reselling. First off, you can just use the info yourself. Apply the genuine insider info in your own business if you want to be faceless.
Right, learn from it directly. Makes sense.
Second, and this is fundamental online, list building. You can give the course away to grow your own opt-in list.
Use it as a lead magnet. Very standard, very effective.
Exactly. Third, if you're into recurring revenue, you can add it to a membership site. Collect monthly residual income.
Nice. Adds value to a membership.
And finally, they position it as a perfect bonus to boost your affiliate commissions, promote someone else's product, offer this as an extra incentive.
Okay, so multiple angles.
Yeah, the takeaway is the versatility. You're not just buying something to flip, you're getting a strategic asset, something that can potentially give you instant credibility and authority in several different ways.
That's a much broader application than typical PLR, I think. But it does bring up the inevitable question, doesn't it? For you listening, you're probably thinking, okay, sounds good, but does this stuff actually work? We hear so many promises online. Who's behind this? What's their credibility? Is it just theory, or is there a real success backing it up?
Absolutely vital question. And the source tackles this by introducing the creator, Sarah Denbow. She makes a pretty strong claim. She makes her living 100% online.
Okay.
And what's interesting is her story started this apparently part-time online business from home in 2023.
Just last year. Wow.
Yeah. And according to the source, already has multiple passive income streams. And to give it some, concrete backing, the page mentions her Warrior Plus earnings, even shows screenshots apparently.
Warrior Plus. Okay, so that's a marketplace for digital products, affiliate marketing stuff. people often show earnings there as proof.
Exactly. So it frames the formula as being based on her own successful strategies, not just abstract ideas, trying to build that trust.
That definitely helps ground it a bit more. Okay, so knowing who's behind it, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the product itself. Like, what's actually in the course? Can you see what you're getting? Is there a sample?
Yeah, they detail the contents. It's designed to be quick and actionable. You get 10 premium quality MP4 videos.
10 videos, okay.
And the total watch time is apparently under 30 minutes. So really concise. Your customers or you can get through it fast.
Quick learning curve then.
Seems like it. The format is 720 by 1280, so good for phones, tablets, computers, pretty standard.
Yeah.
And crucially, again, white label format, free of branding, supports that whole PLR angle.
Right, essential for reselling.
And beyond the videos themselves, you get the license to sell or give away the course as your own product, plus a folder of banner images to help you promote it.
Banners, okay. Marketing materials included.
Yeah. And the offer page apparently does include a sample video, so you can actually check the quality beforehand, see if it meets your standards.
That's good. Always
Yeah.
better to see a sample.
Yeah.
Now, beyond those core videos, the source mentions today's added bonus.
Yeah.
Sounds like there's more packed in. What other bits and pieces are included to, sweeten the pot?
Yeah, the bonuses definitely add significant value, kind of round out the package into a more complete solution. First big one is a matching unbranded ebook. Comes in PDF, but also a .txt version, so you can edit it easily if you want.
Oh, text version too, handy.
Yeah, plus an e-cover image for it, and even a video walkthrough showing how to use it. And this ebook also has white label rights. So effectively, it's like a second product.
Right, you could sell it separately, give it away, bundle it, more options.
Exactly. And again, unbranded, ready to go, or ready for your branding. The second major bonus is really practical, a mashing opt-in landing page.
Okay. For the list building aspect we talked about.
Precisely. It's designed so you can import it with one click into presumably common page builders, and it's apparently all set up to deliver your course for you automatically.
Oh, that's useful. Automates delivery after someone signs up.
Yeah, it takes away a technical hurdle. So these bonuses aren't just random add-ons. They directly support the main strategies like list building and product creation. Helps you build a whole funnel faster.
It does sound very complete, almost like a starter kit, a business in a box kind of feel. What about any other support? Or the practical stuff, like how much does it cost? And what are the exact rights you get? Any catches?
Good points. For extra support, the offer includes a bonus video course on how to profit with PLR.
Okay, so guidance on using PLR effectively.
Yeah, and also an email coaching series, which suggests some ongoing support or guidance, which is knowledges you need to know how to use the asset.
True. Having it isn't enough.
As for cost, the price mentioned is $12.95, stated as a one single payment, so very low entry point.
$12.95. Okay, pretty accessible.
Rights-wise, you get the white label PLR rights, which means, like we said, give it away for list building, sell it as your own course, stick it in a membership, use it as an affiliate bonus.
The standard PLR stuff.
Pretty much. And again, purely white label and unbranded, ready to use as is or customize. Now, there is an important distinction they make. With the standard rights, you can sell the course, but your customers can't then sell it themselves or give away rights.
Okay. Standard PLR limitation.
Yeah. But they mentioned an optional unlimited rights checkbox on the order form. If you tick that, presumably for an extra cost, then you get unrestricted rights to pass on selling or give away rights to your own customers.
Gotcha. An upsell for extended rights.
Seems like it. And they do mention optional OTOs, one-time offers that might speed your results, but they're clear these are not required to use the main product.
Standard funnel stuff then. Core product works, upsells offer enhancements.
Looks that way.
Okay, so boiling it all down, what does this really mean for you, our listener? Especially if you're hesitant about being visible online. This faceless income formula, it seems like a direct answer to that fear, that apprehension about putting yourself out there. It's offering a pathway, using ready-made content to build income streams without being the face of the brand, focusing on assets, not personality.
Exactly. This deep dive really shows how a product like this tries to give you the knowledge and the tools quickly. Bypassing all that content creation headache, you get the product, the guide, the basic funnel pieces. It aims to empower you to start that faceless income thing without the usual hurdles of personal branding or constant public exposure.
A potential shortcut, or at least a different path.
Yeah. But, it does make you think. It raises a really interesting question, doesn't it? In this online world where everyone talks about authenticity, personal brands being key, what are the real implications, the upsides, maybe even the downsides of building a business entirely, from the shadows, using purely done for you stuff? And maybe looking ahead, if lots of people use similar resources, how do you still stand out? How do you differentiate yourself even when using these kinds of tools? Something to chew on.